I'm reviewing the 20 volt max cordless tool set from BLACK+DECKER, and I'm going to take you guys through each tool and show you just how it works and my experience with it. Okay, first thing I'm going to show you guys is the work light that comes with the BLACK+DECKER set. Okay, so the next tool I want to review here is the cordless drill set with the battery that comes with it. It comes with the standard Phillips head and the regular flathead. It's actually got a really helpful light. It's got a really, it really helps out whenever you're trying to get nitty gritty down inside of something. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take some drywall screws. I've got construction screws I use normally. I'm going to take a few drywall screws and just show you guys how this thing works. I've got some pallet wood here and a 2x4. So, take and sink a couple of these up. And it does have a torque setting on it, to where you can set exactly how far down you want it to bite. There you go. It's a really good beginner drill. Regular locks on it. We'll see how these do taking these out. So as you can see, this thing works very well. I'm really satisfied with it. Sure, this isn't this isn't an impact driver. This is just a standard drill. Okay, so the next thing I want to review for you guys is the BLACK+DECKER reciprocating saw. I've not actually got to use this one a lot. It feels kind of powerful. Out of everything, I've used the circular saw probably the most, besides the hand drill. But we'll check it out on a piece of wood here. See what we can't cause for damage. Now this is just a piece of junk pallet wood. See if we can't cut it. As you can see, not the best of cuts, but that would do. If that's all you had, that would work. So, alright, so last but definitely not least, we've got the BLACK+DECKER cordless circular saw. And just to tell you guys, this has probably been one of the most useful things I've had. I've been cutting up pallets, and this thing is just, it eats through the pallets. So I'm going to show you guys just cutting a standard 2x4 on a straight 90 angle, nothing fancy. So we'll get a look at it. Okay. There's one solid cut. Alright everybody, that is my review for the 20 volt max BLACK+DECKER 4-tool cordless set. For me, it's an awesome set. It's DIY basic stuff around the house. If you're going to be building a house, yes, move on to some corded things or some higher quality cordless sets. But for what I need and what I have right now, this BLACK+DECKER set has been perfect. For the people that say that the tool is broke right out of the box, I mean, get it refunded and get it again. And if you don't like it that time, then get it refunded and keep it. I mean, get you something else that'll work for you. But for me, these tools work great, just for a basic beginner like myself. So that's my review on them. If you like the tools, leave a comment about your experiences so that you can share your review with other people. And if you liked the video, just leave a like and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching.
Thing is working. Then when I move that one here, it's not. See? For the kerbs. Not working.
Tasks in and around your home are different. But with one powerful interchangeable battery system, you can tackle them your way. With the right tool and plenty of power at hand. Use the interchangeable battery system for convenience and savings. Whether it's a labor of love, your pursuit of perfection, or just something to get done so the fun can begin. One system, endless tasks. With the BLACK+DECKER 20-volt max system, you have power for your style.